Hi, good morning everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to crack an egg and cook an egg in an interesting way. Kyong, thank you for filming this. I hear from you that normally you take a knife to crack an egg, right?
Yes.
And you told me that you taught me something. You use this part of the knife, right? And probably just hit it at the middle so that there's a crack, and then you break the egg, okay? And you know, I learned from my parents and other friends that when I observe them, they always hold it in this manner, and then they put to the side of the bowl, the cup, right? And then they crack it, and then they break it. But sometimes I see shells around. In fact, if you use science and engineering mechanism, the best way to crack an egg is on the flat surface like this, the tabletop, okay? When it's flat. Let me show you why, okay? So come closer, okay? Listen. No spillage, okay? Clean. There's no shells here, no remnants. It's perfect, okay? Let's do one more time, just to make sure, okay? Ready? You see that? One crack and it's perfect. Now, so let's do a little bit of cooking here, okay? So, people ask me, do you want to cook your eggs in a mug? Yes, this is entirely possible, and you can do it under 2 minutes instead of just boiling it, for 5 minutes in the boiling water. So you do this, and then you take a piece of this paper towel, wet it a bit, okay? It's very absorbent, okay? In science, we call it hygroscopic, not hydroscopic, okay? Just a little bit wet so that there's some moisture. It's like how you boil things, right? You put it at the top, okay? To cover it, okay? Now, what you do now is you place it in the microwave. Try to place it by the side, because if you do it in the middle, it doesn't heat up so quickly. Because it's a fluid, it warms up very well in the microwave. You click beverage, right? And then I make it 4 ounce, just to estimate, and you click start. Okay? Now, observe, okay? After that, you come and check. Because in science, we always do experiment and see, oh, is it okay? If not, we can tune it more, right? You can add adjustment, and we'll do that soon. So what is the mechanism for microwave? It's about the wave having the energy, moving molecules with vibration, and the more of them vibrate, they will collide, right? And in turn, this kinetic energy will kind of exponentially go up. So what it means is, if you have a piece of chocolate that's very hot, there's a solid. When you put inside, it's not going to melt, because the solid are in fixed positions. You kind of give them energy, but they're just wriggling around. It's not going to be warm up. Oh, you heard that? Maybe it's time. 3, 2, 1, and then let's see how it goes. Okay. Luckily, we put the piece of paper towel on top so that nothing flies up. And look at that. Voila! This is my lovely running egg. Now, if you like it a little bit more like a chamrushi, you can do it like this, okay? So I like to have it with some pepper. Okay, some solid remnants, right? It's still a little too runny for some of you. It's Asian, I like soy sauce. So I put this instead of salt. Ooh, okay? See how it goes? In the middle fluid, okay? And then put it back. This time, we keep it a bit shorter. I'll count like from now and go 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and here we go. Dun, 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 dun. Look at that, voila. Look at that, look at that. Dun, dun. Okay, and then I take my knife and I mix it up. You have a very happy looking runny egg. Thank you, and I'll see you soon. Take care.